On the screen, you are looking at $140,000 in affiliate commission, completely passive affiliate commission. And in this video, I'm going to share step by step in a completely beginner friendly manner how you can earn the same amount of money from Fiverr and free traffic from Google and Pinterest. While money sounds awesome, the secret is right here. And in a moment, I'm going to reveal it to you. This is going to be completely beginner friendly. Anyone can do it from any experience level, from anywhere in the planet, without a website, without technical knowledge, without hosting server, without a mailing list, and without social media following. Sounds good? Let's begin. But with this video, we are here to help you so you can learn how to make money online the easy way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years from this channel. This is the goal of this channel, and you can participate in this noble mission just by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know, especially your social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So let us begin and reveal the secret. But before we begin, let me tell you how we make videos and make money from videos without using camera and microphone. Yes, we only use camera and microphone on this channel just to connect with you directly. But you understand, it's not possible for anyone to shoot videos all day long using cameras and microphones. And that's why we built our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes this script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds, on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another side. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build that gets us thousands of clicks. So all the problems of making videos are solved using Epic without writing script, without using camera, without using microphone, and without editing. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Now let me show you step by step how to make money from Fiverr affiliate program. For that, first go to our best friend Google and look for the keyword Fiverr affiliate and search for this website. When you find this website, affiliates.fiverr.com, you have to click the join now button. Then you will be taken to these forms. You have to fill in these forms step by step with your personal information, your preferences, and finally when you click this register now button, you will be registered as an affiliate immediately. Then log into your account. This is how your Fiverr affiliates dashboard looks like. Now go to the marketing tools section. Under marketing tools, go to default and deep links. Different links for different programs. You can learn about all their programs and commission plans from this commission plans section. Go down below and you will find all the differences of different programs. I personally like this one and Fiverr affiliates 10%. All the programs are good, but they have different meanings. This one is $10 to $150 CPA, a dynamic CPA depending on what service your first time buyer purchases. But this is only about first time buyer. But this one is $10 CPA fixed, but 10% revenue share for next 12 months. So if you have a returning buyer, every time they buy, you receive 10% of the revenue. I personally purchased thousands of dollars from Fiverr. 10% of $1,000 is $100. When I will reveal and explain this one secret, you will clearly understand how easy it is. Now in this dashboard, either you can simply copy these links based on what you want to promote and simply promote in your content. So what is your content and how will you actually make money? I told you the answer is Google and Pinterest. But before that, one thing to learn. Let's say you want to promote this article writing gig particularly. In that case, just copy this URL and click this LP URL, paste it here and hit enter, and immediately you see the links are changed. So now these links will go directly to this gig. So yes, if you want to do that or if you choose to do that, this is the way. But if you don't want to promote a specific Fiverr gig, then these links will go directly to Fiverr and the customers will choose their own. Now it is time to reveal the first secret of money. When I open this, you see hops equals clicks. Clicks on our affiliate links. When we make contents like these videos and blog posts with helpful information and build rapport and trust with the audience, we ask them that if they choose to buy, they can buy from our link. This way, they help us, they support us, and also our links will solve their problem. So let's say you know someone who is looking for article writer. You help them with good information about article writing in your content like videos or article or website content. By the way, I mentioned at the beginning that you don't need a website, and the solution is if you don't have a website, you can use Maven. Maven is our own artificial intelligence software. The hosting server is ours, the domain is ours, and the content belongs to other people. You just copy an URL, put it in one place, and in one button, your complete blog post with valuable information will be ready under 3 minutes. Link is in the description. Maven is free to start. Go grab now and start today. So I will consider that you're using Maven and you can create a helpful article about article writing. And people loved your content, and in your content, you promoted this Fiverr gig. A lot of people will buy from you and you will make money. And here comes the second secret. But before I reveal the second secret, I need to show you custom customers, right? Where are the customers? There are about 1 billion customers on Pinterest. And the customers on Pinterest are amazing. All they can get from Pinterest are these photos or images. And they know very well, the Pinterest users know very well that every image or every pin contains a link. So if they click the link on this image, they will go to a website. And that is why this website with this simple content that you can create easily using Maven, link is in the description, it's free to start. This simple website has over 60,000 monthly visitors. Look at this, amazing. Now if you compare 100,000 visitors makes $140,000, how much would 60,000 visitors per month will make for you? Well, around $70,000 per month. I would love additional $70,000, won't you? Okay, now if you look deeper inside in the marketing channels of this website, you will find 43% of their traffic come from social media. And if you go down below, then all the social media traffic are from Pinterest. So amazing. Now you might be thinking how to get traffic from Pinterest. Okay, let's say you created an amazing content about article writing on Maven in 3 to 5 minutes of your time, less than 3 minutes time. Then you go to Pinterest and click the create drop down menu and create a pin. Here you upload your image and talk a little bit about your article and put your article link or the Maven page link right here. What is this image? Well, this kind of image. This is one of the pins from this website, talkbits.com. Go to their Pinterest account and you will find all these simple images. All these images are basically Canva or regular Pinterest templates with a message, like 10 best TikTok content ideas. The person who needs this content will click on this image or will click on this link to go through the content. Make sense? Nothing to do except use simple templates from Canva or anywhere. You can use the softwares we are offering for free in the description and make your pins like this, publish them and get traffic for free. Now it is time to reveal the second secret. And the second secret on this screenshot is dollars per hop. Dollars per hops means the average earning per click we receive on our affiliate links. Now if you get 1 click, on the average we make $1.37 on this account at this period of time. For different offers we have different EPC or dollars per hop, but this is our average. In some cases it's $5, some cases it's $10. When you establish your dollars per hop EPC, you can predict how much money you can make from how many clicks, and based on that you create more content, more pins, more promotion on free platform like Pinterest. We have a Pinterest software free to offer you, link is in the description, go grab it. So the content is free using Maven, link is in the description, start free. You can use our process of making videos using Epic, link is in the description, start free. Pinterest is free, all the information are free. Making money as an affiliate from Fiverr is also free. Now it's your time to take action. Grab all those resources from the link in the description and start today. I have literally revealed all the secrets to make money on the internet as an affiliate marketer, complete passive income. It's your chance to go earn it. Now you might be asking, where is the money from Google? There is a link in the description. I'm giving you a free report how you can make money from Google for free using Fiverr affiliate program. Go grab it from the link in the description. So that's it. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. All you need to do is to hit the like button and share this video so we can continue publishing more and more awesome, helpful, money-making content for you. By the way, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and social media walls so everybody else learns how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money-making video, and we will see you in the next one.